Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can hide a photo or any post that you have posted in your Instagram, and if you want to hide it without actually deleting it. So for example, I have this photo right here and I want to hide it without deleting it. So what I can do is, if you want to hide it, simply click on these three vertical dots at the top of this post, and then once you click here you can see this option which says archive. So if you archive it, it will be hidden from all of your followers and non-followers as well, and you get to keep this photo in a separate hidden folder. So simply click on the archive button and it will start the processing, and here you can see that this post has been successfully removed from our profile menu and has been successfully hidden as well. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well, comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.